So everyone, I'm going to be highlighting a few important points regarding the evolution of fintech and typically the role that we're going to be playing in the years ahead, and most importantly, how important fintech is, you know, as a key enabler, as a key, key, I would say, enabler for some pressing world issues. So I'm going to be talking about that. So first thing that I'm going to talk about is sustainability. We all know that the world is basically requiring a lot more support than ever before. And at this point of time, all powers are coming together. We have industries when it comes to food coming together. We have industries when it comes to clean energy coming together. But fintech plays a critical role. Fintech is going to be one of the biggest catalysts that is going to enable change. Now, I'm going to leave you with a thought. Since we have 5 minutes over here, I'm going to leave you with a thought. My thought is that, whatever we do today, whatever we are basically making, our financial ecosystem is a part of our lives. Whatever we do, all of it is evolving around the financial ecosystem. Now, this means that if we are basically making purchases, if we are doing our financing activities, that is linked to something. Whatever we see around you today, right now, what have been done through, by some means or some modes of payment. And that is the first point. The mitigation of, sustainability comes into play, or increase of awareness of sustainability comes into play. Now, in a nutshell, this is the first thing that I would like to highlight. Second thing is that where does fintech lie in the region at this point of time? Our region, the Middle East, North Africa region, is one of the most hottest regions, at least at this point of time as we speak. Why is that? I mean, we do understand that we're talking about a very high young population that's currently out there, and that's adapting to change really very fast. Number one. Number two, we have been assessing different regions. We have been assessing what's happening in North America. We have been assessing what's happening in the Far East. We have been assessing what's been happening in the EU. But the sort of opportunity that lies over here at this point of time is matchless. When I say matchless, there are a couple of things for that. The first thing is, number one, I discussed the young population. Number two, you have a very, strong adaptation towards new platforms and new models. Number three is going to be the requirement of our user base around us. The consumers around us today require, really up to the game financial services. Therefore, fintech plays a key role. Now you link the two together. First thing, which I discussed about sustainability. The world requires all of us to come together. And the biggest mean is, of course, technology. But when you blend sustainability, tech, and financial services, that basically reaps tremendous benefits. And that's one of my focus as well. And I encourage all the businesses, all the brands to be. So if you're looking to be successful in the next probably short term and the long term as well, start preparing sustainability strategies for your business and see how you can work with fintech to move forward. That's my key takeaway for this short conversation. Thank you.